Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This week I have brought 4 exciting job opportunities for both freshers and experienced data analysts. Make sure you watch till the end of the video because understanding the job role and expectations is far more important than rushing to the application link. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss our weekly job updates for freshers and experienced professionals in data analytics. So let's get started with the first opportunity. The first opportunity is from Crompton Greaves, a well-known and reputed organization. This is a paid data analytics internship offering a stipend of 15 to 20,000 per month, and the key responsibilities include gathering business requirement, preparing data sets and reports, and generating actionable insights from that data. The required skills are MS Excel, Power BI, and SQL. This is a full-time in-office role, and if your performance is strong, there is a high chance of conversion to a full-time position. This opportunity is specifically for freshers, and the job location is Mumbai. Now let's go to the second opportunity, which is from Stier Solutions. This is a full-time role with the designation of Junior Data Analyst. The responsibilities align with standard data analyst functions, but here's the most important part. If you have completed multiple data analytics projects or internships, they are considered as experience. Yes, your project portfolio matters more than a formal job experience. Candidates will be evaluated based on the quality, complexity, and impact of their projects, which makes this a fantastic opportunity for skilled freshers. You can apply through LinkedIn and the job location is Hyderabad. The application link will be shared at the end of the video. Now let's move to opportunities for experienced professionals. And even if you are a fresher, these roles will help you understand the real industry expectations and the skill roadmap you should build over the coming years. The first opportunities for experienced professionals is from Uber Technologies. Yes, you heard that right. Uber Technologies is hiring data professionals. They are looking for candidates with 5+ years of experience. The role is 100% on-site and the job location is Hyderabad. Go through the roles and responsibilities carefully before applying and stay till the end because the next opportunity is even more impactful. The final opportunity is from KPMG, one of the big 4 consulting firms. They are recruiting professionals with 6+ years of experience. The job location can be anything like Gurgaon, Pune, or Bangalore. Review the roles and responsibilities section thoroughly to understand the expectations. A role at KPMG is not just a job, it's a strong long-term career investment and a powerful addition to your professional profile. All application links will be available in the comment section. Apply to the roles that match your profile, skill level, and career stage. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week with more verified job opportunities in data analytics. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with regular job alerts for freshers and experienced professionals.